K. Chandrasekhar Rao would seem is trying very hard to apply balm over the wounds of the journalists of Telangana who were taken aback by his threat to bury the media 10 kilometers deep into the earth the other day in Warangal. Now, the Telangana Chief Minister has now proposed to ensure free education for the children of journalists in private schools. And if you wonder why, that is because KCR believes at least 80% of the journalists in his state live below the poverty line.
ఈ టెలికాస్ట్ చేసే ఛానల్ అదొక ఛానల్ మాకు పాతరేస్తాం జాగ్రత్త అని చెప్తాం.
That was K. Chandrasekhar Rao using the stick on the media in Telangana just 3 days back. Now comes the carrot. The Telangana government believes a majority of the journalists in the state live below the poverty line and has therefore decided to make education free for their children in private schools.
80% above journalists are stringers. They are having only 5,000 below income every month. That's why I am decided to provide free education to them.
The Telangana Journalists Union that asked for this exemption blames the media management and says shabby treatment by them has forced many journalists to live in pitiable conditions.
पूरा तेलंगाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 10,000 कंट्रीब्यूटर्स है. 10,000 और बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन है. बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन बोले तो कुछ सैलरी नहीं मांगा. उन चैनलों को फर्स्ट विजुअल भेजने वाला है, फर्स्ट पेपरों को फर्स्ट वार्ता में भेजने वाला है.
But the 9,000 odd private schools in the state are in no mood to burn a hole in their pocket and have rejected the order issued by the Education Ministry of Telangana.
So you reimburse this amount which we consider for the journalists, definitely we will implement it. There is no problem for us to implement.
The government is not willing to reimburse you.
The government is not willing to reimburse. The government is pressurizing us to implement it. It is only the government itself is blackmailing us.
The logic of the Telangana government is that many of these journalists took part in the struggle to free Telangana from United Andhra Pradesh and are therefore entitled to some freebies now that Telangana state is a reality.
With T.S. Sudhir in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
I'd like to cut across to our editor, South T.S. Sudhir, at this juncture on that story. T.S., it's taking away what he said about journalists. What's really sad is that in that statement, he's gone ahead and mocked those who actually live below the poverty line.
Well, yes, in fact, it's a carrot and stick policy that is being used by the TRS government here in Telangana. And in a very strange way, there has been absolutely no survey to decide whether 80% of the journalists indeed are below the poverty line in Telangana. And just because the Telangana Union of Journalists actually represented to the Education Department they would want this kind of a facility extended by the different private schools in Telangana, the government has actually gone ahead and issued this circular. In fact, today there was a meeting with representatives of private schools. There are about 9,000 private schools in Telangana, and they flatly refuse to do this unless the government of Telangana goes ahead and reimburses the fee cost to the schools, something which the Telangana government is not willing to. So in that case, it's highly unlikely that the different private schools will actually honor this kind of a circular which has been issued by the Education Department of Telangana and go ahead and give admission and free education to the children of Telangana journalists who the government believes 80% of them live below the poverty line.